Bitcoin today, sitting at $30,362 right at the moment, just above the midpoint of this support resistance channel. This channel is history and goes back to December of 2020. We had resistance, which turned into support at that time on Bitcoin's way up to the $64,000 mark. And we had around 6 touch points there. And then on the way down, as Bitcoin consolidated to come back for the double top, in June of 21, we had about 5 touch points here. And then once again, in May of 22, as Bitcoin fell from the highs, we were in this zone for around about 5 weeks. So in or around about this zone generally for 5 to 7 weeks. We're in it now for about 4 weeks, so we've probably going on history about 3 weeks to go. So what we expect to see here is Bitcoin come back down, test the $28,000, $29,000 mark. As you can see, volumes are pretty low at the moment, so we're heading that way. So we'll come down, do our retest, sideways, and then back to the top point. Check that again, the top of the channel, which is around the $31,000 mark. And then we'd be looking to see Bitcoin break through and continue its trend upwards. We've got some other support and resistance levels up here, but we'll get to them later as we get closer to them. If we have a look at this chart down below, we can see stochastic up around about 100. RSI at 69, which is too high. We're in the red there. So the high RSI, the stochastic at 100. The money flow, which is yellow here, dropping down to around about 2, all indicating a bit of a drop in the next week to do this retest and then move away. It's a good thing anyway. So we do our retest and then we've got a stronger position to move back, test the top of the channel, break through, and then Bitcoin move on. Okay, to summarize what we see then, got Bitcoin, big surge, high volumes dipping away, high RSI, high stochastic, money flow dipping away, expecting to see Bitcoin retrace to retest the probably $29,000 mark before it moves back and tries to break the $31,000 mark and then move on to these higher levels around about 42. So let's see how we go. And that's it for today. Bye for now.